display text, video, and pictures.
The mechanical reinforcement has been made with 16 mm iron and 12 mm iron, and the structure has been formed, well formed. Now the current job is to pour the concrete to finalize the base for this electronic display board. So we can see the excavation. The sand was excavated out of the hole, and then the pouring of the concrete is in progress. So I'm going to update you as it goes.
Presentation has started again.
Still on the pouring of the concrete. So this round we are going to make sure that the concrete is completed. So here is the formwork for the pillar, for the top of the pillar. They are going to set the formwork on top of it now. Then the pouring will continue. This is about 3 inches by 3 inches, I think. 600 by 600. I mean the height. The height. 3 inches by height. That's what I mean. So 600 mm by 600. That's 60 cm by 60 cm inside. Into it. All right. All right. So they are going to put it on top of here. It's going to be here. Yes, the top cover it. So this is the final work. You can see the base of this electronic display board. It's the final structure of the base. Until the next time, keep watching this channel. You will see the end of this construction. The framework for the electronic display board has been mounted. You can see it right here standing. It has been mounted on the base, on the pedestal that was earlier constructed here. You can see it. It is well structured, well reinforced. So the electronic display board is going to be installed here for the Federal Polytechnic, Laro. So don't skip any part of the video. I'm going to see what we are going to have as the final structure here. So look at the electronic display board. Click and like this video and share. Click the notification bell also to be notified. And this is the final output. This is the final work. You can see it clearly. The work has been done. Final results of the multimedia electronic display board. You can see it here. Right here. The job has been achieved. So beautiful and effective. Yeah. Final results, final outputs of the display board, the multimedia display board. You can see the media being displayed, text, video, and pictures. Yes, that is the achievement of this construction. Don't forget to like and share the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell when next I bring interesting videos like this so that you can get notified by YouTube. Until another time, I say thanks for watching. Bye bye.